Keeping your temper in check can be challenging. Use simple anger management tips from taking a time out to using I statements to stay in control. Do you feel when someone cuts you off in traffic? Does your blood pressure rocket when your child refuses to cooperate? Anger is a normal and even healthy emotion, but it's important to deal with it in a positive way. Uncontrolled anger can take a toll on both your health and your relationship. So are you ready to get your anger under control? Start by considering these 10 anger management tips. So stay with us till end. Point 1. Think before you speak. In a heat of a moment, it's easy to say something you will later regret. Take a few moments to collect your thoughts before saying anything and allow others involved in the situation to do the same. Point 2. Once you are calm, express your anger. As soon as you are thinking clearly, express your frustration in an assertive but non-confrontational way. State your concerns and needs clearly and directly, without hurting others or trying to control them. Point 3. Get some exercise. Physical activity can help reduce stress that can cause you to become angry. If you feel your anger escalating, go for a brisk walk or run, or spend some time doing other enjoyable physical activities. Point 4. Take a time out. Timeouts aren't just for kids. Give yourself short breaks during times of day that tend to be stressful. A few moments of quiet time might help you feel better prepared to handle what's ahead without getting irritated or angry. Point 5. Identify possible solutions. Instead of focusing on what made you mad, work on resolving the issue at hand. Does your child's messy room drive you crazy? Close the door. Is your partner late for dinner every night? Schedule meals late in the evening, or agree to eat on your own a few times a week. Remind yourself that anger won't fix anything and might only make it worse. Point 6. Stick with I statements. To avoid criticizing and placing blame, which might only increase tension, use I statements to describe the problem. Be respectful and specific. For example, say, I'm upset that you left the table without offering to help with the dishes, instead of saying you never do any housework. Point 7. Don't hold a grudge. Forgiveness is a powerful tool. If you allow anger and other negative feelings to crowd out positive feelings, you might find yourself swallowed up by your own bitterness or sense of injustice. But if you can forgive someone who angered you, you might both learn from the situation and strengthen your relationship. Point 8. Use humor to release tension. Lightening up can help diffuse tension. Use humor to help you face what's making you angry and possibly any unrealistic expectations you have for how things should go. Avoid sarcasm, though it can hurt feelings and make things worse. Point 9. Practice relaxation skills. When your temper flares, put relaxation skills to work. Practice deep breathing exercises, imagine a relaxing scene, or repeat a calming word or phrase such as take it easy. You might also listen to music, write in a journal, or do a few yoga poses, whatever it takes to encourage relaxation. Point 10. Know when you seek help. Learning to control anger is a challenge for everyone at times. Seek help for anger issues if your anger seems out of control, causes you to do things you regret, or hurts those around you. Famous saying, be careful with your words. Once they are said, they can only be forgiven, not forgotten.